Is India now in a third wave of COVID?
Yes, with the way during last 10 days, the dynamics of COVID infection we have seen during last 10 days or so, and the galloping increase in the number of cases which have occurred in last 4-5 days, India is clearly in the third wave of COVID, and the whole wave seems to be driven by a new variant, and today it is Omicron.
Would you say, sir, that Omicron is already the dominant strain in the country?
So I will give you some scientific information that when we look at the whatever the variants have been, genome sequencing has been done. We got our first virus right in the first week of December. So last week, nationally, overall, 12% of the variants identified were Omicron, and the week gone by, the previous week, it has increased to 28%. So it is rapidly increasing as a proportion of all the COVID infections in the country. Now, having said that, I must also say something more important, and that is that around the major metro cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and particularly Delhi, it is over 75% of all the isolates now, the viruses are Omicron.
So that's really important, sir. It is 75% of all COVID cases in the 4 metros are Omicron, or is it beyond the metros as well, sir, at this stage?
So I am saying, see, the wave has started, and we know it started from Bangalore was the first one, and then Maharashtra, Mumbai, and Delhi. And it always happens because of the massive population and also inflow of the virus from outside. The travelers came to these places. And so at the moment, the proportion of Omicron is much higher in these metro cities as compared to other places. And today, I would say, I would not exactly remember, but almost 19-20 states have identified Omicron, but it gradually spreads. And if we remember our Delta wave, it spread along the western border of the whole country, starting from Maharashtra going up and then moving eastwards and then northeast and south. So that's the way things moved last time. And similarly, the virus will take time to reach up to other states and also start becoming the dominant virus.